Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out these cool DEWALT T-Stack boxes. Now, I just bought this, well, it's not really a set. There are 3 different products. This is the first one right here. Look at that, really cool. This is just your standard toolbox. Has this little top part that opens up. There you go, and then you can fit a whole bunch of different things inside of there. Got a whole bunch of different bits and stuff. Pop that back on. This here opens up, and this top folds open. Has a little thing in here that pops out, and then a whole bunch of storage down here inside. Look at that. Got a couple of my tools inside of there, along with another little baggie. And then boom, that just fits nice in there. Stays kind of like locked in. It'll lock into either side. Really cool. There you go. Has a nice heavy duty handle on here. Really, really heavy duty on this. It is plastic, but like I said, pretty strong plastic. I'll go ahead and pop this one down here really quick. And the next one that I've got here is the drawer, which I really like. This drawer. The drawer is super cool. Boom. Here you go. Has like a little locking mechanism in here. You pull on that. These roll really nice and smooth. They roll in and out just like that. Boom. Got another one down here. Whole bunch of storage inside there. Yeah. And then same thing, has these little locking things there and another heavy duty handle. So we'll go ahead and set this one down here to the side. And then last but not least, we have the bottom one here. Now, I really haven't put too much in this one. Haven't put anything in this one at all. Probably gonna put some of the tools that I had in that first one that I showed you down here in this base one. Just haven't done it yet. I really don't have a whole bunch of tools yet. I want to get some more bigger tools. And I think once I do get more, of the larger stuff, that's exactly what I will use this for. But same thing, has this little thing here that you can lock in on either side. Whole bunch of room down inside there. This one here does have the handle, and this handle does extend like that. Gives me plenty of room whenever I have these 3 connected together. I could probably get away with putting another set of the drawers on there as well, before I got like too high and kind of, not really feasible for it to work well. Nice wheels on here. They are plastic, nothing super fancy or super strong. This whole system here, the T-Stack system, is all plastic. This is the T-Stack 1, I believe, is what all these are. I think they have a couple different variants out there. Some of them with like weatherproofing and stuff like that, but I didn't need anything too crazy. I just use it for here around the house, which if you're looking for something like that, you're a DIYer type person, this is absolutely fantastic for that. I'll go ahead and show you how these all flip in, because you couldn't really see it too well down there underneath. So we'll get our little box right here. It just aligns nice and easily on there. Make sure you got these opened up, and then they just pop on there like that. Same thing over here, pops on there just like that, boom. And then they're all like super strong connected together. They are not going anywhere. Last stack, we'll go ahead and unlock that and put this other one up there. Boom, there we go, boom. Get it centered on there, there we go. Locked and locked. Look at that. This right here, like I said, boom, goes. And you can move it around easier on the floor, obviously, than what I can do up here. Now, if you do need to get into this bottom one, this whole thing does kind of fold out, but still you're gonna have sort of a limited, whenever it folds open, because that doesn't really fold too well. So you do really need to remove these top ones in order to get to there. But if you need to get to this one right here, like I said, you can just fold that down, and then boom, you have full access to your top one there. I really like this set of 3. Like I said, I bought them all individually. Top toolbox, this one here, and this one here. I will have links for all of these down there in the description for you guys to check out. But once again, this is the T-Stack set of like mobile modular toolboxes from DEWALT. Go ahead and check them out.